Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to PCF. This is Srinivas Pujari. In this video, I am going to explain about the last updated time. How to add the last updated time in a report right side corner. Okay, right side corner or anywhere if you want to update. So most of the time, people will add in the right side corner so that user can understand. So when the data is refreshed, okay, when it is refreshed, so if there is any problem, okay, so if suppose the date is not changed, okay, if it is last 2 or 3 days back, so we can understand the problem also why it is not refreshed. Okay, so just by looking at the date we can understand. So okay, it is not refreshed, okay, there may be some problem with the refresh, so that we can understand. So for that purpose we need to add the timestamp. That is the best practice, to add the date and time, last updated date and time. So we have to add. Okay, so how to add that last updated date and time, so I'm going to explain this video, guys. Okay, so let's go to the transform. Click on transform data. So there you have to take a new query, blank query. So just go with the blank query. So in a blank query, just there is a formula bar. If you don't see this formula bar, you can go to view section. So this formula bar, you need to check that. Okay, so I think for you it is off. Okay, so this formula bar, so I think it is off for you. Okay, if you don't see that, just check that, so you will see automatically. So just go here, blank query, and so just click on that formula bar. So equal to date date time dot local now. So you have to select the date time dot local now. So dot local now. So where is that? So here is the local now, and then so the close bracket and then enter. Sorry, it is not recognized. Sorry, I selected multiple times. Date time dot local now. So just select that. So remove this one. So it's selecting multiple times. Okay, I don't. Okay, so just remove that. So date time local now, and then open bracket and close bracket and then enter. See, it is converting the date, and then that you have to convert. Okay, go here and then convert into table. So you can convert into table, and then you can write it as a last updated time. Okay, last updated date and time. Okay, date time, last updated date time. So if you want only date, so just go here. So first you will convert into date time format. So it's a date time format. And then if you want only date, okay, so suppose user don't want the time, then you can go to the add column. Just go here and then you can keep only date only. So it will give the date. Okay, so this way we can add. Okay, so just even you can update the query also. You can rename this query as a refresh date. Okay, so refresh date, or else you can go with the last updated date time. Okay, so you even whatever the table name you want to write, you can, and then go here and then close and apply. So you can close and apply. Now so after the changes is applied, so it will create a one more table here. So if you want only the date, sorry, not here. So where is the last date time? So you can go, and then if you want only date, you can add that date. You can keep that in a card. Okay, you can keep that in a card, and then so just you can drag that. So it is showing, so it's summarizing, I think so, but I don't want to summarize. So just sorry, why it is selecting that. So let's remove this one again, we'll add it. See, it is showing the date. So even you can change the font size and all, even date format also you can change. So how you want. So it is showing earliest date, but I don't want that earliest date and then latest date. Why it is showing this one like so? Whether formatting now, so you can go with the date formatting, and then so here we'll go with the short date. Okay, See, now it is changing the start date. So you can keep, and then you can even so you can rename last refresh date. Okay, last refresh date, you can add that last refresh date. And even if you want to add a text, so you, beside that, so you can use the text box and then add that. So but it is, if you want to decrease the font size, you can decrease the font size. So it's okay. The value font size, we need to decrease it up to 20. Okay, so there is a last refresh date, so that one also you have. So even if you want to change the background color also, you can change. But I want even 15, so you can go that and then add that. So in the corner you can show like this. So even you can add the background color. Suppose if you want to add some colors, text color and then background color, so you can go and then add the. So if you want to add the background color, you have to go here and then change that background color something, green, and font color white. You can go again, you can change the font color from here. Even the label color also, if you want to change, you can go and then change the label color also. Okay, this way we can add the. So what is the time now? So if you want to add the date and time, so just so with the date we cannot understand, right? So we'll add the date and time here. So instead of date, we'll add the date and time. Okay, so that you can understand. So it is not earliest date, last updated date and time. See, what is the time now? So it's a time 8:32 a.m. So when you refresh now, so when you refresh entire model, so that will change it. That will change automatically. So let's say like this. This is not earliest date. So remove this. This is the last updated date and time. Okay, so now you can go and then refresh that. Okay, there is a refresh button is there, so you can click on refresh. So it will refresh now. So the all tables, and then so this refresh date also will be changed. See, now it is showing 8 33 a.m. 25 seconds a.m. So the entire, when you want, okay, when you change the entire model, so when you refresh the entire model, the date will be changed. But if you refresh only this table now, so only this table, it will not, the refresh date will not change. So when you go with the entire model, so then only the updated date will be changed. Okay, so this time it's not, it will not change. Okay, the 25 seconds, it's same like the 25 seconds only, it is not changed. But so when the entire model is refreshed, that last refresh date will be refreshed. Okay, this way we can go and then add the last refresh date, so that, so when the last refresh is happened, how late is the data. And so even so if they that so if it is, this is the last 2 days back date, so then okay, from last 2 days, okay, the data model is not refreshed and all, you can assume. And then so even so you can easily find out the issue, like, so this is not refresh is not happened last 2 days. Okay, so last one day. Okay, so issue with the refresh. Okay, you can go and then see the scheduled refresh, and then um, that way you can find that. Okay, hope understand, guys. Okay, please like the video. So this is the real time scenario, guys. Okay, we'll use most of the times. Okay, so hope you like the video. Please like, and for encouraging me, hit the thumbs up button, and share, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you watch the first time, please subscribe for more videos, guys. Thank you.